Do you want to know what the best news about all of this is? That it's totally up to you. It doesn't require anything from anybody other than your willingness to let go of what is causing suffering. This isn't easy. You know it's not easy because you know how hard it is to forgive somebody that hates you. I did it. On New Year's Day, I did it myself. Somebody had so much hatred for me, and I just sat and saw that I was guilty of everything, not in this lifetime, but as part of a collective consciousness, just even as party to world, I am culpable for everything that has ever happened. This is called one heart. And so I said, yes, not in this lifetime, not in this relative reality. So many false things will be said about you and everyone. You probably have said, and I also probably have said so many false things against another. Who do you think suffers the most from that? The speaker of falsity is, that's not a good thing. And so out of this arises a tremendous compassion for one who gossips and spreads falsity, because they don't know how much they are condemning their own selves. And I spent a good hour in Ho'oponopono for this one who you could call enemy, meant me harm. And then I've been practicing this for a decade or more. I'm pretty good at it now. And let me tell you how it changes the world I occupy. In forgiving myself my own fear, forgiving myself my own doubt, my own self-condemnation, my own cowardice. Forgive me. This is the hardest thing we will ever do. And in this, meaning it, please forgive me, then actually receiving it, feeling it be received. Now it is true. It is done. It is done. It is done. You will wake up. The birds will sound different. The light will reflect differently. Your heart will be open. Little by little. Sometimes so little we won't even notice. Forgive, forgive, forgive. Then in this consummation of forgiving and being forgiven, all really within your own heart, all of other will join in the unity of I in your own heart. And then you will know what it is, one heart, and not as a concept. Not as a concept. I'm never saying anything new, anything different than this. The repetition is good. I need it also. It's simply to demonstrate over and over, this is the hardest thing you will ever do. And yet it is significantly easier than carrying on as you have been. Both are true. The hardest thing you will ever do is to forgive. And yet it is so dramatically easier than persisting as you have been. And what a great blessing this is. If you can come to even think maybe possibly this is true and then prove it for your own self, then you will know for yourself. For your own self, by your own experimentation, by your own sincerity. And the best news of this is it is completely, totally, and 100% up to you. It means nobody can hold you back. It means nobody can oppress you. It means you're free. Nobody is to blame. The cage has long since been gone. And because of our infatuation with I know and tethered to past understanding, we continue to, who will be reckless and stupid enough to try out freedom? This is nothing more complicated than the science of consciousness. When you look around, love everyone you see. They are in an echo chamber of their own past, having an experience completely insular to their own selves. Everything happening, of course, is called stimulus, but it is all experienced within the internal realm of each individual. When this film of conditioning, this veneer of I, through forgiveness, it becomes so transparent. And when you are transparent, nothing to hide, nothing to defend, nothing to claim. When you are transparent, you will see.